Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to create a post on your YouTube channel for your community. So once you open up your YouTube channel, what you're going to do next is you're going to hover over the top where this little camera is, where it says create. We're going to click that button. Next, we're going to go to create post. And here, it's going to bring up this pop-up down here where you can put in an image poll, a text poll, or a video. So let's say for the sake of the video, we want to create an image. So right here, it's going to say drag up to 5 items or GIFs that you would like from your computer. We're going to hit select on the blue. And now here, we're going to go ahead and select the image that we want to upload by double clicking and then hitting either schedule post or post. Now that you know how to do this, if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.